Welcome, everyone. This is Beck Bamberger with One Pitch. We're doing Relationship Building 101, especially in the time of horrible COVID-ness. We've got Gili Malinsky from Grow, which is by CNBC, and Acorns. Welcome, Gili. Thanks for being here. What you got
Thank
for
you so
relationship
much.
building these days?
I would say keep it short. Keep a
Okay.
first email short. I would say, maybe like 3 short paragraphs. Who are you? Maybe a couple names of who you represent and what they do. Blocks of text are very overwhelming, and I tend to just like gloss over them, and I like barely look at them. So keep it short.
Keep it short. 3 paragraphs, too. I'm like, that's kind of generously long.
Well, 3 short paragraphs. So let's say 2 to 3 lines each. Yeah. Even 1 to 3 lines each. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Gili. Pitch
Yeah.
tip. Now, not a pitch tip, relationship tip for the week.
Yeah.
Pitch tips coming up.